Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, look at this. So I've walked into the greater, this is the Artistry Design District, It's in the Greater Heights. And man, what a beautiful building. I mean, look at this. Just gorgeous. The leasing staff is over there. But honestly, this building is just gorgeous to look at. I mean, look at this gorgeous lobby. This is a super fun, super tall area. There you can see there's quiet pods over here, so you can grab one of these free at any time. These offices, you can sit here. There's plugs all around. So it's kind of a big lounge, but also a big working area, a big Wi-Fi working area. There's some other chairs and tables that are over there. There's a kitchen that's over there. So it's a really, really pretty area to work with. Just beautiful. So you've got a lot of space to enjoy. What a gorgeous, gorgeous area. And there's just a little bit of light music. I like it because it's not overpowering. It's just a little bit. So, also on the floor here, you can see there's a pool. We're going to go check that out in just a minute. But there's a pool. There is a gym. We're going to check that out in just a minute too. The athletic club gym is over here. And then the apartments are over there. So that's what this looks like over here. So hope this gives you a good feel of the first floor. Now let's actually go check out that pool.